Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox friends list not showing. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your Roblox server status. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and head into status.roblox.com. Once you've done that, if that is not the case and the Roblox servers are all system or all operational, what you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try restarting your Wi-Fi or router and avoid VPNs or proxies. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and close your Roblox application completely, wait 10 to 15 seconds, and then reopen it to go ahead and fix your problem. However, if that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and clear your cache. If on PC, press Windows R and then type this in and delete everything in the folder. The other thing you want to do is, if you're on mobile, just head into settings, apps, or Roblox storage, and then clear cache. And if not, you want to simply go ahead and check your privacy settings right over here and make sure that it is set to everyone on both. I hope this video clarifies everything.